what the heck is this one doing actually? 10. Keyboard typing. Okay. 6. Steak. It looks yummy, but not that pretty ASMR thing. Okay, that's pretty good. 3. Oh, 49. Oh my god. Wow, that's a good one. Ooh. Oh my god, that's so good. Water, yo, that's so good. So now the next one. So next cat memes ranking. This one I have never seen this one. Yeah, I am not the 90s kid, okay? 9? Oh, 10 I have never. Okay, yeah. Sorry, but okay, this one 8. Bro, the OG one is 6th. Bro, Nathan, the OG one, bro. Do you remember this? I have to go to 6th.
Yeah, it deserves 2nd. But ooh ee ah.
So now part 4.
Sneak peek.
Psych! Not today, bro. I know, but don't you know that actor who's bro, that guy who like was acting in part 3 one, he has fever, so tomorrow is a Sunday, so we will record tomorrow. So bye, next filter. Bro, we don't have much time in our video, right?
Yeah.
1, 4, 3. What the fuck? I hate mangoes. Avocado, okay. Not bad. 6. Orange, okay. Orange is 2. Banana 7. Bye!
Bye, guys. We'll be back.